We recommend revisiting this video in a few days for better learning and retention. This will help solidify the information in your long-term memory.
Here are 3 sample conversations between a customer and a customer service representative for returning a product. Scenario 1, damaged item. Customer:
Hi, I recently purchased a blender from your store, but when I opened the box, I found that the base was cracked. Can I return it and get a replacement, please?
Customer service:
Absolutely. I'm sorry to hear that you received a damaged product. Please provide me with your order number and we'll initiate the return process.
Scenario 2, wrong item. Customer:
I ordered a size medium shirt, but I received a large one instead. How do I exchange it for the correct size?
Customer service:
I apologize for the mistake. Please return the wrong item and we'll send you the correct size as soon as possible. Here's the return shipping label you'll need.
Scenario 3, dissatisfaction with product quality. Customer:
I bought these wireless headphones a few weeks ago, but the battery life is significantly shorter than advertised. I'd like to return them and get a refund, please.
Customer service:
I understand your concern. Please send the headphones back to us, and once we receive them, we'll process your refund. We apologize for any inconvenience this may have caused.
Here's a detailed dialogue between a customer and customer service regarding the return of an item. Customer service representative, CSR:
Good morning. Thank you for calling Aroa Customer Service. How can I assist you today?
Customer:
Hi, good morning. I recently purchased an item from your online store, and I would like to return it. Can you help me with the process?
Of course. I'd be happy to help with that. May I have your order number, please?
Sure, the order number is 12345.
Thank you. Let me pull up your order details. All right. I see that you purchased a pair of shoes. May I ask why you would like to return them?
Yes, I ordered a size 9, but they feel a bit too tight. I think I need a size 10 instead.
I understand. We want you to have the perfect fit. Would you prefer to exchange the shoes for the correct size, or would you like a refund?
I'd prefer an exchange if that's possible.
Certainly, I can arrange that for you. Just to confirm, you'd like to exchange your current size 9 shoes for a size 10, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Great. Before we proceed, I need to check if the size 10 is available in stock. Please hold for a moment. Thank you for your patience. The size 10 shoes are available. I will process the exchange for you.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll email you a prepaid return shipping label within the next few minutes. Please use that label to send the size 9 shoes back to us. Once we receive them, we'll ship out the size 10 shoes to you. Is there anything else I can help you with regarding this exchange?
That sounds good. Just to clarify, will there be any additional charges for this exchange?
No, there won't be any additional charges. The return shipping is free and will cover the cost of sending the new size to you.
Excellent. Thank you so much for your help.
My pleasure. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
Actually, yes. How long will it take for the exchange shoes to arrive?
Once we receive your return, it typically takes 3-5 business days to process the return and ship out the new item. Shipping time after that depends on your location, but generally it takes an additional 5-7 business days. So you can expect the new shoes in about 8-12 business days from when we receive your return.
Got it. Thanks for the information.
You're welcome. If you have any further questions or need assistance in the future, feel free to contact us. Have a great day.
You too. Thanks again. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
This dialogue covers the process of returning an item, handling an exchange, providing clear information on the process, ensuring customer satisfaction, and offering further assistance.